Hey guys, and welcome back to my channel. So I'm going to be actually putting the mirror up for my vanity. I got this mirror from IKEA and I really wasn't even expecting it. I know we just walked in and I seen it and it was $10 and I was like, I gotta have it. So I actually went and bought it and I don't have to worry about all that custom cutting and all that good stuff. So if you want to see this video, please stick around. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Let's go. All right, so first things first, of course, we need our supplies. Everything you need is kind of gonna come in the mirror already. So you're gonna have those four little bracket things, the screws with the drywall anchors, and then a drill bit, and a screw. And I use the ruler because I'm clumsy and stuff will be everywhere. So, you know, ain't nobody got time for no crooked mirror. So the first thing I wanted to do was mark out where I wanted the wall to be, and I missed that part in recording, but you can see my lines and my previously drilled holes there. I actually had to get a bigger drill bit so I could make a bigger hole for the anchors, so that's what I'm doing here. You just basically go ahead and screw them in. I promise y'all this is probably the easiest DIY. I think I've said that before on my channel, but whatever. So you just stick the drywall screw, the anchors in, and then the little black things. I don't know what they're for, but I know how to use them. So you want to screw those in there, and then kind of going to attach them in between the screw and the wall. I believe they're washers, honestly. That's what I'm going to call them today anyway. So I just go ahead and screw those in, and then the clear piece that is going to come with the actual wall mount basically just slides into place just like that. So that's kind of it, and you do that 4 times because you get 4. I actually put 2 on the bottom, and then in a minute you're going to see me go actually out of focus and put the 2 on the sides. And this made it easier for me to just slide the mirror in place because I didn't know how else to do it. I could slide it from the left, or I could slide it from the right, and your girl decided to slide it from the top. So there we go with that. I hate that this is out of focus, but y'all get the point. Like, all you have to do is put some holes in the wall and go for it. So here I'm sliding in the mirror, and it really wasn't that difficult. I do remember the sides being a little bit hard to slide in. So here we are at the end. I told y'all it wasn't even going to be that hard. Probably took me like 15 minutes to do. This is probably the easiest that I've done on this here vanity, because the lights, which is my next video, were terrible. They were so hard to do and it was so complicated, and I'm pretty sure had I wanted to spend the money, I probably didn't have to go through all that I went through, but it's all good. But this is the final look. Again, I hope you guys liked it. Right now we're at a smooth $26 for the vanity, and all I have to add is lights, and you're not even going to believe how much I paid for those. Again, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and follow my socials. Bye guys, I'll see you next time.